Want to skyrocket your real estate business? AI is the secret sauce. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps. That's AI for you. First up, AI can automate your marketing. With predictive analytics, you'll know which listings will generate the most interest. Next, AI can help you create engaging content. Think chatbots that answer client queries 24/7 and personalized email campaigns. Sounds cool, right? And let's talk about media. With AI, you can repurpose modern video, photo, and drone footage to create stunning content. Virtual staging can make any property look like a dream home. Now, what about pricing? AI can analyze market trends and give you accurate pricing recommendations. It's like having a crystal ball. Lastly, AI can manage your client relationships. CRM tools powered by AI can remind you of follow-ups and track client preferences. Keeping your clients happy has never been easier. So if you want to stay ahead of the game in 2024, start integrating AI into your real estate business today. Trust me, you won't regret it.